Today we will discuss the electronic configuration from the elements sulfur to zinc, matlab the 16th element to the 30th element. As I told, there are the four subshells S, P, D and F. S subshell has the 1 block 2 electrons, P subshell has the 3 blocks 6 electrons, D subshell has the 5 blocks 10 electrons, F subshell has the 7 blocks 14 electrons, S2, P6, D10, F14 electrons. So to calculate the electronic configuration, as I told in the previous video, that 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. Now the simple formula is, first we have to cut like this: 1s, then 2s, then 2p to 3s, then 3p 4s, then 3d 4p 5s, then 4d 5p 6x, like so on. Okay, so we'll move to the next page. So as I told, we have to remember this table: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p. So we have to, in the crisscross way, we have to remember that 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, then 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, like that and so on. So let's start with the 16 elements: sulfur. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. 2 plus 2 4 10 11 12 16, like that. Chlorine again everything is same till the 3s2, then 3p 5. Argon, everything is same, then 3p6. Then potassium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now and another one will come, 4s1, because 19. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 for the calcium. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, everything is same. Then the next one will come 3d1, then titanium 3d2, vanadium, everything is same till the 4s2. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, everything is same till the 4s2. Then 3d1, 3d2, then 3d3. How 3d3? Vanadium atomic number is 23. 2 to 4 10 11 12 18 20 23. Okay, so let's start with the exception: the scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium. So let's go with the first exception element, which is the chromium. Atomic number is 24. So we will write that 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. But this is not the rule. ये नहीं होगा. उसका correct electronic configuration है 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then this, as I told, that D subshell has the 5 blocks. यानी कि सबके blocks fill होना चाहिए. So 3d4, one block gets unfilled. So 4s1, then 3d5. This is the correct. 2 to 4 10 11 12 18 19 24. Manganese, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, not like that 4s1, 4s2, 3d5. As D subshell is completely filled and S block also completely filled. Iron, cobalt, nickel, everything is same till 4s2, then 3d6, 3d7, 3d8. Now let's go with the last two elements, which is the copper and zinc. Let's go with the 29th element, which is the copper, which is the second exceptional element between 1 to 30 elements. Okay, configuration like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d9, 2 to 4 10 11 12 18 20 29. So you will ask me that it is 29. So why this is wrong? Because S has only 1 block and D has 5 block, and I told that everything needs to be fulfilled. So S block is completely fulfilled if you write it as like this: 4s2, 3d9. But this looks unfair because we have to complete the D subshell. Okay, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, then 1 electron will be transferred to this 3d10. Now this looks good. The D subshell has the 5 blocks of the 10 electrons each. 1 block has the 2 electrons, so 10 electrons. The D subshell is completely filled. Now let's come to the zinc. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then not like this: 4s2, 3d, 4s2, 3d10. Now it is completely filled. So as I told that between 1 to 30 elements, copper and chromium, these are the two exceptional elements between 1 to 30 elements. So first you have to remember this table, then after, and if you forget the electronic configuration, first write like this, then you have to write the formula. So thank you. 1 to 30 elements is complete. All the best.